Okay, welcome back. So today I'm just going to break down a trade setup I just took on gold and explain the reason why. And that trade was with FIB 369 Pro. I placed the Fibonacci manually so you can understand the logic. So the settings are here that I'm currently using. Higher time frame. Selected is the 5 minute time frame. That means it's plotting the zone on from the 5 minute time frame, even though I am on the 1 minute time frame. We have the pivot look back to free, and we have the five here. Trend filter is not enabled, and we have removed zone one and two, so we can focus on zone two, three, zone two and zone three. That's it. So we had a buy signal here, right? Now, the reason I was confident in taking this trade is because manually, so if I remove this, the indicator, manually, this is what we have, right? We have a pivot level right here. So if I take my Fibonacci and I drag it up, because this is the same logic that the indicator is following, right? We can see that we are here. That is zone one, that would be zone two, that would be zone three. That's the manual version. So from here to here, I know that's a high probability, right? Because again, if the market wants to continue higher, this is just bonus. But in general, this is high probability from here to here. And that's why I got out here. So I entered around here and I got out here. You should see the trade on the screen very soon. Okay, so here's the trade on the screen. As you can see, 55.25 was the execution. So 55.25 is around this area right here. And then we decided to get out here. It's a quick scalp, right? 3 minutes. And that's okay. Now, obviously, I could have stayed longer in the trade because gold is bullish. We are trading gold. So if I activate the indicator, we can see that we had the buy signal and the market went here, which is perfect, right? So again, once you have an opportunity like this, you don't need to trade all day, and that's it for this setup. This is the Asian or kind of the Asian session. It's 6:37 a.m. right now in France. So for maybe someone in America, New York, it's probably midnight. So yeah, just wanted to break that down so you can see we had a nice clean setup, and that's it. No more trading right now. Done. And that was the setup on the Asian kill zone, just after the Asian kill zone. And three was based on this area. I could have entered before. I was waiting to see how price is gonna move. But yeah, the setting was pretty straightforward. Place the Fibonacci here based on these pivot points. We also had a pivot point right here. But then that was running a little bit deeper because the market smashed through these key levels from this pivot point. We can see it went lower. So then we have this pivot point right here. We have another pivot point right here. And we have another pivot point right here. So I went for the deeper one, obviously, because it's manual. And I think the indicator also spotted this, which is great. And then that's it. Quick scalp, quick breakdown. Yeah.